Capricorn, thank you all very much for being here today. This is going to be your spiritual guidance about love for the first half of November. And I know that this time frame is almost over, but it's okay because it can still resonate. It can still resonate, and this is something to hold you over until I get back to your sign for your next love guidance, because I don't know when you're going to get it, okay? But this is going to be for those of you who are single, trying to attract someone new into your life. You're in a situationship or you have a crush, all right? So let's get started. If you're ready, just don't forget to subscribe before you go. All right. So what's up with you, Capricorn? It looks like some of you are going to be revealing some really, really important information to the person that you love. It seems like some top secret information. Like all the secret thoughts that you have about them, you're letting it be known. You're letting it be known. You are taking a risk because you know that when you do this, a lot of things could happen after you do it. A lot of people will know. A lot of people will have things to say. Your life is going to change. And it's going to change the dynamics of the connection. Do you care? Not at all. You do this for the sake of your person knowing. And that makes you really, really happy. You're going to be happy about everything once you get a lot of things off of your chest and you say what you think and what you feel. Whoever it is that you're connecting with has been holding space for you because they've been waiting for you to open up in the way that you are opening up to them. They've been waiting for you to say yes to them or to want to be with them and be serious about it. So, yeah, your person has been facing the facts within this connection. This is someone who no longer is hiding their feelings about you, and you're doing the same thing. So they could be seeking guidance from you because after they open up and reveal all of these feelings to you, they feel a little shy and they're getting a little intimidated or a little scared about it. But I think you're going to bring them a lot of comfort because you're helping them to be more bold about their feelings for you, helping them to feel more unafraid of opening up emotionally to you at this time. So if you want their deeper emotions, you're going to be able to get them, okay? You guys could be a sacred healer. Some of you may have a healing spirit, a healing energy for your person. It's an exclusive energy that you share with them that they need. They need it. They need it around them. So they may love to talk to you. They may like to just sit in the car and just talk to you. That's healing for them. Or they like when you rub their back. Maybe you have healing hands. Pay attention to the little things that they tell you they like about you because that's the things that they depend on you for all the time. And even the little things creates a bigger love for them. So if they say things like they like to listen to you speak, they like to listen to you talk, your words are healing for them. Your tears could be healing for them. Everything about you have a healing spirit. So you have the ability to send energy to this person for healing and spiritual growth. And they absolutely love this about you. And they feel like they need that. This person feels so deeply about you, Capricorn. Their feelings are incredibly deep, really, really deep. They embrace you, but I feel like you're also embracing your own feelings now. And they're embracing their own feelings now about you, and they're allowing themselves to feel their feelings fully for you. Like, oh my gosh, if this is a man who feels like this, then do you know how hard it is for a man to feel like this and admit it and express it at the same time? Do you know how hard that is to do that? And the fact that this man is actually doing that is crazy. So this person could have this person feels like love is finally entering their life at this time because they have an open heart. They're tapped in and turned on to their emotions. They actually know how to express love. And they're going to feel like this once they let things out, once they allow things to be exposed and they just face the facts. They're going to feel like more in love with you. This is beautiful. So you may see them as someone who needs to believe that they deserve your love. You don't want them to put themselves down. You want them to know that, yeah, you can love me. You can love me. It's okay. I'm totally going to be here for you. I'm going to give you a lot of love if you keep opening up in this kind of way. You feel like they should honor these feelings. They should do what makes them feel good. If being with you makes them feel good, you're all for it, of course. And they should follow their heart if this is what they want. For some of you, this person may have a lot of friends or a big family. They may come from a big family, or they have a big social media following, or they have fame or clout. And this is someone who has a whole community of people who are engaging in this whole situation too, who actually want to see you two together. People could be asking about, like, oh, where is so and so, or let me check to this person's social media and see what's going on with them, because apparently this person loves the Capricorn to death. Apparently it's to death. So hello. So you have a lot of people looking for you, looking for them, checking for you both, because a lot of people see love for you. A lot of people see love for them, and they feel like you guys are like really good lovers. So people want to see this. That's what I'm getting here. Now, the numbers 8, 23, 5, 25, 7, 19, 10, 1, 29, 11, 2, or 5 could be significant for you or for them. The way they see you, you are so wise. You're very, very wise to them. You have a lot of wisdom. You know a little bit about everything. Your mind is very, very powerful because of all the knowledge you can hold in it, whether it's academically, everyday life, spiritually, or you're book smart. Either way, you have a lot of information inside of you, and they really like this, and they feel like they can just like rest assured in your perfect love. Like, they know that they're safe. They know that they're comfortable with you. They know that you're something different. You may be from another planet. Who knows? You're very different to them. There's a lot of new opportunities. Within this connection now. And you have a lot of new opportunities. See, let me tell you, your person knows that there are a lot of people are interested in you. They know that a lot of people want to court you. They know that. And they're coming in to say, you got to declutter this. I'm coming in to declutter this. I'm coming in to get all these people out of the way. Nobody can have you but me. It's something about the door for some of you. Like, this person's ready to come into your house. They're ready for you to live together, or to be around each other in the same house. This person wants to be with you. This person wants to see you. They want to show up. They want to be there. They want to spend time. Yeah, they want this new beginning, you guys. They want to create change and have a new beginning with you, so that you guys can come together and be together. They see you as like some type of guru. You can teach them a lot of things. You know a lot of things. You're very wise for your age. You may seem a little bit more mature than what you really are. So like, if you're 25, you may seem 35, whatever. If you're like 40, you may seem 50. You may be 60 but feel like you're 100. I don't know. They feel like you've lived 2 or 3 lifetimes. You just know a lot of things, and they need to be able to have a person who knows a lot of things, because that's what they need. All right. And that's a good thing. That's what's keeping them interested and satisfied. And that's all I have. God bless.